Hi, welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Lokesh and I'm part of the OnceHub support team. In this video, I will show you how to add a website button from your OnceHub account to your website. This button allows your visitors to schedule a meeting with you without having to leave your website. You can also fully customize the button text, color, and display style. From your OnceHub account, click on the booking pages from the left sidebar. Then select Share and Publish tab. Then click on Website button. You will see two options, a standard button and a floating button that appears on the bottom right corner. Next, configure the button text. You can also configure its color to match the color of your website theme. Then select the relevant booking page or the master page that you want the button to open. Next, decide how the customer data is passed. The customers can either fill in the booking form manually, or you can have the customer data passed using the URL parameters via a web form integration. When you pass in the customer data using the web form integrations, you have two options, either to skip the booking form completely or pre-populate the booking form for your customers. Then choose how the booking page should open when someone clicks on the button. You can display it in a light box on the top of your web page or open it in a new browser tab. Once you are ready, click on copy code and paste it into the website. If you would like to further customize, the lightbox height can be customized. By default, it is set to 580 pixels. To change it, adjust the height value in the code. To make it responsive, delete the height property and the lightbox will adjust automatically. One important note, if you change any website button settings in OnceHub, you will need to replace the old code on your website. However, changes to the booking page settings, master page settings, or theme design will update automatically. There is no need to change the code. And that's it. You have now added a website button to your website, giving your visitors a simple, effective way to schedule with you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.